Welcome back everyone. In the last video, I have given you some task. The task is to create a variable called first name. So let's create it. Where first name. Okay. And again, I am going to create another variable called var last name. So these 2 points is done. Now the next task is assign the value into the variables. So let's just assign it. Now this task is also done. They assign the values into the variables. Now the last part is print the message in the console with my name is with these 2 names. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do console log my name is, I will give a space here and then add the first name variable. Then also I need space between first name and last name. So I add space in between first name and last name. Now let's see the result in the browser. Okay, I need to run it from index.html, so open read live server. Yeah, my company name is Learning Waivers. Currently it is working fine, but no. Actually, I have an error. I got an error called uncaught reference error. Last is not defined. So in this lesson, you also learn how to debug if you get error like this. If something is called, it is not defined, that, and the first thing we're going to do, we need to recheck the variable name, because the last name variable name is not last. So I need to change it. And let's see again. Yeah, this time it is working properly. Okay. Let's disable the others comment because there is no need of it. Also in this lesson, let's create another variable with another type. If you see, I am adding some text in these variables. So this variable type is type of string. Okay. Also, I can add some numeric values to them as well. So let's create a variable var first number, and I'm going to assign it as 12. Again, I'm going to add another variable called last number, and I'm going to assign it as value 15. So let's see at first what it's print if I just add these 2 variables. First number plus last number. And I see the result is coming 27. But like you did in the last time, if we just add 2 variables with the plus sign, then the total string was adding side by side. So in this case, it might have shown this, but as we set it up as numeric, then it is automatically start doing the addition function. If we just did the minus sign, then it will give me the -3. Yeah. So if we assign them with the numeric one, then I can do the addition, subtraction, division, and all this kind of formats. Number format. Now, what I need to do, I need to add, if I need to change the values, every time I need to change it from here. Or else, if I need 5 or 6 arithmetic operation in my code, then every time I need to change the variable name, I need to copy the variable and change the name and do the same thing again and again. If I want the addition as well, then what I need to do, I need to copy it and I can name it at third number, fourth number, and then I'm going to do again with plus sign. But you can see I need to copy it every time, but both cases the values is same. So in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a function for it and do the same task. So in this lesson, we're going to learn how to add function as well. So create a function. Whenever we're going to add any function, at first I need to write the function keyword, then the function followed by the function name. So in this case, I'm going to add one function called sum and the parentheses, then the brackets. Okay, and every function will have its own logics. So in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add these two variables over here, and I'm going to do console log actually I'm going to do this one. Let's see what happened. Okay, now you can see there is no console log showing. Why it is? Because whenever we are adding any function, we need to call that function as well. For calling the function, we just need to do this following step. A function. If we just call it, then it will run automatically. And again, there is another error is showing the first name is not defined. Why I'm getting this error? Let's see. Because in this case there is no need of this one. First number is not defined actually, so this one has no need. So if I'm going to create another function called sub and do the same thing with these two variables, it will again going to work properly. In this case, I'm not going to change the name of the variable. I don't need this third and fourth number. And again, I need to call the function as well. So again, I'm calling it. Let's see what it's showing. It is showing the result. In this case, at least we don't need to create another variable. But again, what is happening that I need to copy the code over and over and over. This is not going to happen if we are doing a long bit of code. Then our file will be enlarged and it will be not very good practice for doing this kind of thing. So we will learn how to pass variable with this function in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.